नहीं भाई, कॉपीराइट भी सीखना पड़ेगा। मतलब तो मैं लग रही ही हाँ। ओके सो फाइनली आई एम डूइंग दिस। हाय, इतना क्यों मुस्कुरा रही हूँ? हाय, मेरा नाम केसर है। ओके गॉट दिस। ओके हाय, मेरा नाम केसर है और मैं फनी रिलेटेबल मेरा नाम केसर है और मैं फनी रिलेटेबल कंटेंट बनाती हूँ ऑन सोशल मीडिया बिकॉज थेरेपी इज एक्सपेंसिव एंड ओवर शेयरिंग ऑन इंटरनेट इज फ्री। आप लोग ने मुझे कहीं ना कहीं देखा होगा ऑन इंस्टाग्राम रील्स या अपनी लोकल स्टोर पे खाने को ताड़ते हुए, जो मुझे अपेरेंटली नहीं खरीदना। एंड इफ कहीं नहीं देखा है तो वेल कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन, यू आर इन फॉर अ वाइल्ड राइड। Congratulations. Okay, so first of all, let's just address the elephant in the room. I am officially one of those Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Species. Except there is no back because this is literally my first ever video on YouTube and I have no idea what I'm doing, but we got this. Of course I'm gonna act like I got this because fake it till you get the brand deals, baby. Okay, so by now you all know this is my very first video, so we're gonna ignore all my awkward pauses and poses also and 17 retakes and the fact that I'm pretending to be confident right now, which I am in general, but it's my first, so you understand. I mean you do. Okay, so why I'm on YouTube? Because obviously Instagram wasn't enough for my overthinking, oversharing and overacting. अब मतलब अब 30 seconds में कितना ही बोला इंसान, पर अब तो हो गया ना 3 मिनट शायद, but ठीक है, मतलब here we still got more minutes. No arguments. I said what I said. Okay, so I'm single, broke and navigating adulthood like a confused pigeon in Bombay. So obviously the best thing to do is to start a YouTube channel. Okay, so इससे पहले तुम अपनी आंखें घुमा के रोल बैक करके सब चले जाओ, रुको. Let me just say, this is not one of those woke up inspired stories. I have been sitting on this YouTube dream like a pizza delivery I never ordered, but now it's here and I'm hungry. This channel gonna be a beautiful disaster, a place where logic dies, filters are illegal unless Sandada makes me help me look beautiful. That's why we don't need filter here on YouTube. मैं क्या लग रही हूँ, मतलब cute, pretty? बताओ मुझे guys comment section में how I'm looking so cute बड़ा करते. And also rants are considered premium content and we are great at it. Okay, so why? Okay, so I have a habit of saying we, like what if I'm eating, tell like I'm going to eat, but I'll say like we are going to eat, so what are we doing today? Like सब जगत में हम सब साथ में सारी चीज़ें करेंगे. This is what my मानना, but I mean ऐसे मैं कहती ऐसे हूँ, but anyways मेरा intro video which is I don't know क्या बन गया, थोड़ा मतलब pointers लिखे तो मैं पढ़ के बता देती हूँ, ठीक है, तो समझ नहीं आ रहा मुझे. So I will be over explaining basic things because just Gemini things maybe isn't it like I think it's girls thing or it's just my thing, I don't know. मैं तो ऐसी हूँ, मैं सारी चीज़ें over explain करती हूँ, एक बार 10 बार बोलती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे लगता है सामने वालों को समझ ही नहीं आया. Yes, I'll be dragging people who deserves it, which is my nalle friends, because content तो उनसे ही आएगा मेरे पास. And I will be exposing oh my god, I will be exposing myself for free on the internet just for your entertainment. You're welcome. Okay, so whether you are here out of curiosity, boredom, or just click the wrong video while you're stalking your ex, stay, because things are about to get weird, wild, and probably mildly embarrassing. And yes, I'll be talking to the camera like it's my therapist and you all will be listening in. Okay, so if you like laughing at people's pain, aka my life, hit that subscribe button now. Listen, if you don't, well, I'll just pretend you did. Because denial is my strongest coping mechanism. So this is me, unfiltered, unhinged, and unfortunately on camera. No, fortunately I'm on camera. वो just unmatch हो रहा था तो कह दिया. But no, we are very fortunate to be here in front of the camera. So yeah, my last statement was this only, which I apparently इतना ज़्यादा बोल के. हाँ, मतलब तुम समझ गए ना. This is me, unfiltered, unhinged, and fortunately on camera. Let's begin. Bye.